happiest Luffy that can be. Look at that. Look at this. Such a good time up here in Vogel State Park. Look at that. Look at that happy dog. Look at that happy wife. We're a happy pair. Can't you see a dude? Yeah, pretty good for out. You want to go see that dog? He's like, I need to go run. I got it. He's a happy Luffy. Yep, we're gonna see his reaction to the waterfall. It's like a really big sink, or the bathtub, but with a lot more water. That's all. You can do it, Luffy. You can do it. Oh man, this guy used to be so afraid of steps. Now he can do it. Come on, Luffy bugs. Professor Luffy skins. He's got a doctorate in cuteness and in being an asshole. Come on. Boop, boop. Beautiful out here. I mean, it's cloudy as hell. What do you think, Anna Banana?
Awesome, as always.
Oh, geez. He's like in full-on run mode right now. Did you just like kick the tree trying to pee right there?
Yeah.
Didn't know you did karate. Come on. Enjoying smelling the leaves. This guy loves crunchy leaves. It's only a sad part about it being wet. Oh, you can do it? All right, what you doing, buddy? Yeah. Skills. Yep. I know, we're not running down the mountain, Luffy. It's gonna take us a second. Ooh, big little crater right there. That was a little...
Nice bit of erosion.
Yeah. Did you find another tree to pee on? Yeah. I think you've peed so much you got like droplets and that's it, man. Just piss in the air, is that the plan? You got it? Come on.
Come on, Dizzy.
Running around. Another tree? Is this a peeing tree? Oh. Nope. Not worthy. Come on. We're almost to the waterfall. So, Vogel State Park, there's a waterfall at the end of the little lake there. It's a waterfall caused by the dam being there. But it's still a little pretty. We just had a little bit of rain too, so that'll make it a little bit more intense looking. Well, say waterfall. Like the sign says, it's a spillway. Because we're close to people, gotta keep it close. What do you think, Luffy? Look at that. Pretty cool. Can you go down? He's like, fuck no. Well, yeah, no reason to try to pull you that way. Nope. We're going this way then. Alright, first waterfall. No.